Okay, here's a little look inside the Jupiter wind-up robot. Seeing the whole top shell basically lifts off once you remove the key and straighten out the little tabs that are holding it. This is your wind-up mechanism. So once I was in here, I oiled up all the ends of the shafts. I replaced the flint, which had been worn away through the years, and the sandpaper on the flint wheel, which was worn off. So I mean, at this point it should work and spark. You can see it's throwing sparks and working. So once I put it all back together, then it should be a good working wind-up robot. The only reason I haven't put it back together yet now is I figure as long as I have it apart, might as well measure up with the calipers all these leg parts and leg linkages and inside parts. And basically, let's try and get this turned around here. Hang on, everybody. Get you aimed towards the old computer more or less. You can see here I've started, let's get in spin mode. I've started designing the outside leg shell. And what else? The inside part, the foot, the roller wheels will fit in here, and the leg linkages parts will fit up there. And here's one of the basic leg linkage parts. In the end, I will have to add another piece that comes off that goes up to the cam that actually moves the linkage back and forth. And of course the body base, which should be representing this black part where the leg linkages will come up and pin. Right now I'm planning on just using paper clips for all of the metal pins, just to keep it easy for everyone, because this is a project I plan on putting on Thingiverse so everyone can make one if they want. But so far that's what we've got going here. Let me see if I can back this up a little. So basically you can see this whole headpiece fits over basically. Gotta move a leg pin. This one leg pin is sticking over a little too far. Like that. Gotta get the on-off switch through the chest. There we go. So what's going to hold the whole thing together is you then crimp these little tabs in. And that's what holds the body on. Once the body's on, then you reinsert the key. And there was one spark. The sun is shining through the window nice and bright, so who knows if you never know when you're going to get a spark. It's just about all the way unwound right now, so I don't expect much to be happening. So, inside the Jupiter robot and the first bit of CAD work on the parts for doing a 3D printed battery operated version.